What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. I have another video coming in. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing some cleaning and organizing of my room. I tend to do it all the time, but it's still never where I want it to be. So I'm going to just do some organizing, kind of explain what I'm doing, cleaning up my closet, making my desks a little cleaner, I guess you would say. Spending a lazy day doing all that. So let's get to it. So my room's really not that bad. I just have a bunch of like random stuff, but I'm super anal when it comes to organizing. So I want to just kind of go through. My bed's like not made. You know, take some stuff off of here, maybe clean out those drawers. I have a bunch of random stuff, but like, I mean, for the average person, this is still pretty organized. Probably go through those drawers, go through some of my winter stuff, see what I'm gonna keep, old scarves, go through the closet for the 100th time, reorganize that, go through some shoes, clean up Joe's leftover food from last night. Thanks, Joe. So I started out with my cleaning in my closet because that was the part that was going to take the longest. And I started out with the stuff that was hung up, got rid of things that I know I don't wear, and reorganized that. And then I went from my top shelf to all the little cubbies in the bottom shelf. Then moving on to what's underneath my bed, I had a lot of loose bags and I had a shoe bin. So I went through that. Then threw out some old underwear and old bras. Moving to my other dresser on the side of my bed, I went through my bottom drawer and got rid of socks that I didn't have a matching pair to and just folded up my sleep clothes. Next, I just organized the drawers under my TV even though they were already clean. Alright, so I just finished cleaning my room. My camera died while I was cleaning off the dresser under my TV, but it is done, so I'll go ahead and just show you that. All clean. And then the stuff over there is my friend's stuff, so it just has to go out to her. And the stuff next to it is just gym clothes that has to go into my gym bag. Then my closet, it is size organized and color organized. So it starts with open sweaters over there and color coordinated, and then closed sweaters. And then short sleeve and then some color coordinated jeans. And then a couple cute jackets over here, and then some dresses over there. Baggy shirts to sleep in. I just can't get rid of any of them, clearly. Colored hoodies, the ones that are a little brighter, plus one of my favorite black ones is right there. And then down here, it's a little dark, but down here is more hoodies, extra hangers, and then dress shoes. I have those heels, some boots, more dress shoes. I have belts back there, sweatpants, crop hoodies, tank tops, leggings, and there's my underwear. This is Joe's drawer. He literally just gets this. Bras are in there. Cleaned off this dresser, so now my iPad's right there, remotes. Bed is made nicely. Put that blanket away, even though Joe's gonna probably have a heart attack because he likes sleeping under a blanket and not under a comforter. Then organized all here, nice and pretty. This drawer is still kind of a mess, but it's organized for how I need it to be. Socks are in there and some pajama clothes. Organized up here again. Garbage. This stayed the same because this was probably the only thing organized in my room. And I put on shorts because it got hot and my phone is here. Don't mind me. So this is everything pretty much to get rid of. Old clothes and stuff, old clothes. This is clothes of Joe's that I'm just gonna go back to his house. This is stuff going in the attic from the summer. This is a garbage bag. So now I'm going to do some bathroom makeup cleaning because I'm already on this binge. I started cleaning, I don't know, probably like 2-3 hours ago, did my bedroom. So this will probably only take maybe an hour. I'm gonna go throw out old makeup, old perfumes, anything I know I'm not gonna use. Even though my mom has a tendency to keep things, there's really no reason that nobody's using them. Threw out some old perfumes and some hair products, kept only the ones I use all the time. My middle drawer has been reorganized. Lipsticks in one container, makeup brushes in one container, all my eyeshadow palettes, are to the right. Hair ties in its own little drawer. Alright, so I just about finished organizing. I feel beat. It probably took me a good 4 hours. So that is basically that. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I have tons of other things I could definitely organize. So yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching.